Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Okay, so on this trade we have a long bias based on this 15-minute time frame. Now we will switch to a 1-minute chart a bit later, but for now let's just focus on this 15-minute graph here, which, as you can see, has these two specific levels of price movement formed as a result of these two order blocks. Given the fact that order blocks usually form at the extremes of price movement, in our case, both of these levels give us our range. I should point out, though, that the order block at the bottom here is from a 60-minute time frame. Remaining at this support area, we see price break above New York midnight and then expand by some 35 points. Now, this was a bit of a blow-off move here, but a print nonetheless. We then see market quickly correct lower, balance this inefficiency on the way down here, and as we switch to a 1-minute time frame, we have price print the tape below 42.65 before making these successive higher lows. Now, I would like to note that my long entry was based on this Trendline's convergence point over here, as well as the fact that after we retraced, the market didn't take out this short-term low here. On top of that, we kept trading under oversold conditions or below our range's equilibrium point of 42.75. So, in other words, the combination of these technical elements gave my long bias some much needed insight into the macro structure of the trade, as price was slowly moving back to a more balanced state.
Order filled.
I think that it goes without saying that this was a typical price action trade in which I simply read the market and pulled the trigger based on what was going on rather than sort of relying on indicators or other variables. Honestly, I think that price action, and this is just my humble opinion, I think that price action is one of the most clean and basic methods to trade out there. All right, that should do it for this trade. Now, if you guys are still watching this video this far into it, please subscribe and hit the like button. It would help the channel a great deal, and I would really appreciate it. With that said, thanks again for following, and hope to see you in the next one.